I just wanted to be productive and write my skit.
You ain't no skit yet, bitch, man. What the fuck are you? You just stick your hand up your ass. You think I don't know, say you in charge saying everybody. I think, motherfucker, you do. What? What motherfucker crawling for goddamn? What?
Oh, shut up.
I'll fuck the camera up, man. It won't be the first motherfucker to come out of somebody else's here's check. Cause I'm blaming it on some dumb motherfucker, yeah. Like this some bitch here, man. Cousin fuck. I should be the probably not the last time, you know how it is when motherfuckers get crazy talking, man. They just, you know, just like farting when you pee. Whoa, did some motherfucker just say something?
Right now, Cat?
Hold on.
Cat, you pressing me right now?
Listen, I don't know if you know this one. Whoa, hold up, dude.
Oh, whoa.
This is, motherfucker, you know who I am? You know where you at? No, fuck who I am. You know where the fuck you at, man. Look at all my people.
I ain't never seen you. I ain't never heard of you. So, you know, it's fuck you, man.
You know why you ain't heard of me, motherfucker? Did you know the ninja's name when he fucked your family up? Man. They took out your whole goddamn clan. Hell no, you just know the black motherfucker coming in fucked you up.
Dude, when I say I've seen him.
Man, I got a coked up friend, man. He's a weightlifting son of a bitch. He do motherfucking steroid. Thumper. Goddamn motherfucker. Look, Thumper, what's wrong with you?
Man, Thumper.
I guess I'm gonna have to take your mouth right now because my bodyguard Thumper is
Dude.
He's fucking Thump, man.
Dude, man.
Hey, look at him in that window.
Why are you going?
This is a documentary about what?
Why are you going?
My kids show, the Meow Meow time.
Nuh-uh.
My kids show. Y'all gonna put this on the YouTube? Man, y'all know I make a lot of money telling them kids good shit, man. If they see me out acting like this, it would ruin me. Don't forget your goddamn ass out of the window.
Too good.
It's Meow Meow time. Meow Meow time. It's Meow Meow time. Yay!
Oh shit, camera.
But see, here's the thing. Here's the thing.
Oh shit,
I had them cut that camera on because when this goddamn kid show falls through, when I done slap one of them goddamn little motherfuckers, they mama don't watch what the fuck. Bring them down there running wild all over my goddamn set while I'm trying to read a motherfucking Humpty Dumpty story. They sang a goddamn public service song about goddamn doing some shit right.
I need a lot.
The mamas don't watch it, what the fuck, man. They got them pulling on my goddamn hair, man, picking me up by the fucking neck. They ain't no, where y'all motherfuckers at when they pick me up by the neck? Huh? No, that fucking kid's all over me, man. I got to smile and be like, meow, 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 hey. Fucking meow, meow shit.
This may go fucking too far. I can see people goddamn just fucking. That's funny shit.
Yeah, you know, funny shit is sticking your hand up somebody's butt or their ass.
It's fucked up.
I mean, it ain't funny,
Unless it's,
but it's shitty, ain't it?
But if it's a girl and she says it's cool and you're down too, I mean, do what you do, but you know.
Man, everybody said, you that girls? Everybody hears that. You said he was a motherfucker.
Yeah.
Y'all, I know he might have been spying on you, man.
Him?
Are you?
That motherfucker?
Hey, did you? We famous, dude.
Dude, let me tell you.
You know what? I mean, about 20 steps back, there's these motherfuckers that weigh 400 pounds a piece, toting 20-pound sticks, coming to fuck a motherfucker up if I go. I can't say it, man. I don't want you to die. And there's a rifle on you, too.
Yeah. The goddamn Meow Meow show.
Meow Meow show.
Gotta get up early in the morning and do that goddamn stupid ass fucking song about damn no place and shit. Gotta write a song about no place. Fuck you, motherfucker. Who told y'all about what my uncle did to me? I mean, my mama put me in karate class after that, though, and I fucked that motherfucker up. No, my place, motherfucker. Fuck. And I'm the #1 ever all-time motherfucking baddest motherfucking kid character they was, man. I took Bonnie downtown. Man, Bonnie working at a car wash now, man. Y'all didn't know that shit. Put him out of fucking show business. And all them weird motherfuckers down at that goddamn public TV, those goddamn, I don't even know their names, man. Them squeaky, noisy, shape-looking motherfuckers.